This is just a quick video to show you how to clean your card reader. What we can use is a isopropyl alcohol cleaning card. So basically it's just a card shaped cleaning product with some ISO on it. These are from Ingenico, these particular models. So basically what we do is we take it out of the packaging and we swipe it a few times on the card reader, the MSR side card reader, both sides. Turn it around a few times. You can see the dirt that's coming off it already. Also do your chip card, which is the more sensitive one. You'll have more problems with the chip card than you will with the MSR. Put it in a few times. Flip it around. Do it again a few times. Back into the card reader. You get the point. You can pick up a lot of dirt. This one's relatively clean. You can see there's still some dirt even though this was stored inside. But I mean, in bars and coffee shops and dusty places, you'll see a lot of dirt on this, and it could definitely save you a lot of money. The chip card reader is the more sensitive one. Once it goes, it's very expensive to replace that. The side card isn't too bad. MSR is on the way out anyway, but chip card, yeah, this one will definitely save you a few dollars. And if you don't have one of these cards, I mean, you can get them online. You can get them on Amazon. They're called isopropyl alcohol cleaning cards. If you want to put that in. If you don't have time for that and you have to do it in a hurry and you're trading, you can get a basic card. This is just a test card. Put it on a sheet of paper. If you've got a little bit of alcohol or iso alcohol, you can just slightly wet this, so it doesn't want to be too wet. Also, if you're in a bar, I mean, you could use vodka or something, something strong like that, just a little bit, just to get it clean, and then wipe it down a few times. Make sure the paper's not too thick. And you'll see, look at the dirt on that already, the dirt that is taken off, right? So that's the dirt on the MSR reader. You can also do it with the chip card reader. For the chip card reader, you want to be very careful using a card or a piece of paper. You don't want any paper stuck in there. So I mean, I wouldn't do this unless it was an emergency. You can cut a little piece of paper just smaller than the card and gently push it in, maybe with a little bit of ISO again on it, or possibly not if you don't want to get anything stuck. You can see the dirt straight away there from just one attempt. But it might get your card working again and get you trading again. So yeah, I would definitely recommend purchasing some card cleaners, or your POS provider might be able to provide you with some for free. Chip card readers are the number one issue we get. Maybe number two, displays maybe first, and then chip card readers number two. And we always provide our customers with some of these cards when we install, and it does help 100%, so it might save you some cost. And you can get them online as well. So hopefully that helps and saves you some cash. Like always, thanks for watching, and if you like this content, please do like and subscribe. It does help. Thank you.